I'm Alexandra Zadro. I'm a student at University of Arizona in mining engineering.
My name is Jake Pacheco. I'm at the University of Arizona Mining Engineering program.
Hi, my name is Greatness Ojim, and I'm a senior studying mining engineering at the University of Arizona.
My name is Sam Bonaparte. I go to the University of Arizona and I'm studying mining engineering.
Hi, I'm Seth Irwin. I am studying eco-hydrology and watershed management.
My name is Alma Reasoner. I'm a geology student at the University of Arizona. Well, mining isn't like your Minecraft, you are going down there with a pick and axe. Mining, you aren't covered in soot anymore. If you want to work in mining, you can be working in the lab, you can be working on a computer crunching numbers, you can be driving the haul truck if you want to, but there's really a space for everyone in mining, and if you're even remotely interested in, people should really look into it.
There are so many different ways and angles and avenues you can take to work with the industry, whether that be hydrology, whether that be environmentalism, whether that be mine operations themselves.
There's so many options in mining. I mean, you can be a civil engineer, you can be a mechanical, electrical. I mean, mining's just so diverse in that aspect.
Mining has a spot for pretty much any interest in any background, really. And a lot of the times when they're in like computer systems or electrical engineering, their degree is really useful for us in the industry. And also there's tons of opportunities. It's not a dead end. Once you're in mining, you can go all sorts of places.
People think mining is pickaxes underground, but mining has turned into something so much more than that. It's become technology, and there's a lot of innovation going into the field right now. There's so many different areas within mining engineering to go into, so you're really able to find what drives you within mining.
Mining industry is so vast. There's so many things that you could put your hands in. It's not just for engineers, there's public health majors, emphasis in mining, there's chemical engineers, there's even just like communications. There's so many people who are involved in the mining industry. We cannot work alone. My name is Greatness Ojim, and I am mining.
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 I am mining.